Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Vauxhall Crossland X. Now of course, as you can see, you get your LED daytime running lights. You do get full halogen headlights on this car. But then coming around to the side, you get these painted alloy wheels. Of course, they are a 16-inch alloy wheel, and I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. But coming around to the rear now, as you can see, it is the diesel variant of this model. Into the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You do of course have plenty of room in here as well. Then coming out to the round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then, as you come in the front, you do also have the cloth interior continuing. Then getting inside, we've got your 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your lane keep assist off button, traction control off, tyre pressure monitoring system, stop start off, and then the central locking. You've then also got your dual climate control in the front as well. Coming up to the top with the touchscreen display, as you can see, we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities. We've then got your various audio sources just here, so you have your radio, USB, iPod and Bluetooth. We've got full satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see just there as well. And then coming back over to the steering wheel, we have your cruise control settings on the left hand side and your speed limiter. On the right hand side we have your audio controls. Then we've got your onboard computer controls on the indicator stalk and 4 automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has only done 38,737 miles. But jumping back outside the car, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Crossland, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.